What's up, big dog? In this video, we're going to talk about exactly how I did during the week of February 10th to February 14th. Let's get into it. All right, so looking at the results for February, we got one half of the month down in the order books. So when really looking at it, so far so good. Got up about $17,200 overall on my funded futures accounts and my Tradeify accounts. These are both funded accounts. Went straight to funded on both simply to just knock it out. And the first week we went over results of that in a different video, so definitely check that out if you didn't see the input on that. But as far as what we have going on for February 10th, we started the week off strong with $2,500 worth of profit, 100% trades. Like, we didn't have any losers, just was very simple. On Tuesday was a challenging day, being honest. I almost ended the day negative, but kind of got my bearings and found what I was looking for in the market, and was able to get back positive at least $400. And so, like, obviously not big by any means, but it was really important as far as just keeping the momentum going and not getting into a slump on that day, and having to just bounce back from a day where I just made mistakes, didn't trade with discipline. Or I guess I traded with discipline, but just was trying to force a setup that wasn't really ready to play out. And so I actually waited for it to get to the point where it was the best entry possible, and was able to make back the loss and end the day with a little bit of profit. Then on Wednesday, you can see ended the day up over $5,000, a great day, biggest profit day of the week. Was able to execute 100% as far as accuracy on the trades. Didn't have a loser, and the market was just going the exact way that I thought it would go. So really, really excited and really just pleased with how Wednesday went. I believe Tuesday was, as you can see, the most trades and only roughly a 50% win rate. Thursday was just a day where I had to fight to catch the market where I really wanted to catch it, and to actually just not second guess the setups and not move to break even too early. That's something that I've, over the past 7 years, I've realized I do, is I'll try to, in an effort to not have a losing day or a losing trade, I'll move to break even way too fast and not give the market room to breathe, especially in the climate we're in right now of, president tweeting, tariff updates, all that fun stuff just can really move the market in a way to where you can be right on the trade, but just, move your stop way too early. And on Friday, I remember Friday because it was a couple days ago, but it was just, I was in that trade so long. And the thing about being in trades for an extended, period of time, it can really test your patience. It could test the way that you're, really wanting to manage your trade. And so one thing I've been learning is to just simply let my trades run. Like, let the market do what it's going to do. As soon as I click the button, I have to accept that I can be wrong in that trade. And trying to move to break even too early, it's just me not really accepting that I could be wrong in that trade. And so as soon as I actually enter it initially, I just accept the fact that, hey, that whatever I'm risking on this trade, that money's gone. I'm in my mind already there, so that way I'm not worried about it too much, because eventually the willpower that we have, the energy, the mental capacity that we have eventually begins to drain as we're in trades for extended periods of time. So that's one thing I've learned over the past 7 years, is just simply just let your trades run. And we don't need to be right. We just need to be rich. We're in this trading industry to make money, not in it to be right. So I don't care if I'm wrong on the trade, the trade idea. I want to be wrong as soon as I can. But overall, if I'm a good loser, I'll be rich. And so I don't want to be right. I want to be rich. So overall, on the week, we're up over $14,000 on these funded accounts. I just have to knock out 2 more days of profit, and I think I just have to achieve roughly $900 more of profit per account, and I'll be able to withdraw about $16,000 total. That's not including my Top Step account, so that's pretty exciting. But overall, I'm excited about this week. It's one of my few no losing day weeks of my trading career, and I'm going to try to keep this momentum going up. So far, we only have 1 losing day in the month of February, and obviously can't complain about that. Got to be happy with the results and the discipline and consistency, and just keep going from here. So I'll do another update next week to see exactly how that week went, and you guys make this week a great trading week.